Dancehall artist Shenseea has announced the dates for her upcoming European tour. The tour will see the artist making stops in cities like Amsterdam, London, Paris, Portugal and Birmingham, among others. Shenseea's European tour kicks off on June 19 and will run through to July 10. The Blessed DJ has been having a successful year thus far, having released her debut album Alpha, made her Billboard Music Awards presenting debut, and linked a global publishing agreement with Eston Publishing in partnership with Avex USA. The West Hollywood-based Eston Entertainment was founded as a label management and publishing outfit by CEO Brandon Silverstein, who manages American singer Dancer Normani and Brazilian singer Anitta. Shenseea first made waves on the scene back in 2016 with the release of her debut single Jiggle Jiggle, which was followed by her breakthrough hit Ludi, featuring dancehall heavyweight Vybz Kartel. Popular music concert Grooving in the Park has been cancelled once again this year due to COVID-19. The event was scheduled for June 26 at Royal Wilkins Park in Queens. Organizers also stated that global inflation caused by the war in Ukraine has significantly increased its production costs. The event was last held in 2019 and is scheduled to return on Sunday, June 25 in 2023 for its 10th anniversary celebration. Grooving in the Park has featured A-list reggae and dancehall acts, including Barris Hammond, Marcia Griffiths, Toots Hibbert, Jimmy Cliff and Capleton, as well as R&B icons Kenny Babyface Edmonds, Michael Bolton, Boyz II Men, and Gladys Knight. Comedian Bill Cosby is scheduled to head back to court following a lawsuit filed by Judy Huth, which alleges that Cosby sexually assaulted her. The alleged incident reportedly occurred nearly 50 years ago at the Playboy Mansion in Los Angeles, where Cosby allegedly groped her when she was 15. Jury selection for the trial will begin on Monday at the Santa Monica courthouse. Judy is suing Cosby for sexual battery, an allegation which Bill has denied. She filed the lawsuit soon after Cosby became the target of several allegations from women who accused him of drugging and raping them in encounters dating back to the mid-1960s. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E! Prime.